There are breaking updates coming in. The Supreme Court has issued a contempt notice to the Principal Secretary of the Home Department, Delhi government, for failing to decide on the remission plea of Sukhdev Yadav one of the convicts in the Nitish Katara murder case, also known as Pahalwan. My colleague Harish Nair is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Harish, take us through the updates from the Supreme Court.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. Supreme Court has issued contempt notice to Principal Secretary, Home Department of Delhi government for not deciding remission plea of a convict, despite court order to take a decision, despite the fact that he has already served 20 years of his sentence. Supreme Court was hearing plea filed by Sukhdev Pahalwan, a convict in the Nitish Katara case, taking release after he spent 20 years in jail without remission. Remember, the bench had last year hearing asked Delhi police why it opposed release despite he having effectively served his sentence. In early March, the Supreme Court had directed the Delhi government to decide within 2 weeks on granting remission to Sukhdev Pahalwan. The court today criticized the Delhi government for failing to comply with its orders. It issued a show cause notice asking the government to explain why contempt proceedings should not be initiated against the Principal Secretary Home for not complying with the Supreme Court's directive.
Okay, all right. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details. That's all we could pack for you in this edition of the Bulletin. A quick break. We'll be right back with the top updates.